So in machine tool technology, these guys are learning how the machines operate. They're going to get the basics. They're going to get the measurement equipment and how to read blueprints. First year is going to learn manual machining. Second year is getting into CNC machining. They're learning how these jobs apply for the manufacturing field. With the job market here in the upstate, I don't have any problem finding jobs for my machine tool guys that finish up.
I've actually already gotten a job. I work up with Dodge Industrial. I love it up there. It pays real good. Me and another student actually got that job, and I feel like it was because of this class and because of my knowledge and the 2 years that I've been in this class.
It's just so much opportunities. It pretty much gave me a really 2 years head start learning about the different machines. I like to get as much experience as I can get. So in the workforce, they could just say, here, go on this machine, and I'll know how to use it. People need machinists in the world. It's very, very, very useful.